If you think Paint 3D is just a toy, think again. This app can do things that even some pro software can't. And today, I'm showing you 10 insane tricks that most people have no idea about. Whether you're a total beginner or you've used Paint 3D before, I guarantee at least one of these will surprise you. And don't blink, number 7 made me doubt, check if I was still using Paint 3D. Oh, and I will show you a weird little button that, when clicked, makes Paint 3D feels like an actual 3D modeling tool. But we'll get to that. 1. The Magic Select tool. This cuts like a pro. This isn't your average crop tool. When you click the Magic Select, it outlines an object and boom, it magically removes the background, even around here. How does the Magic Select work? So click the Magic Select button on the top menu bar. Use the handles to draw a rough rectangle around the object or area you want to cut out. Make sure the entire object is inside this selection. Click Next. Paint 3D will automatically try to detect the edges of the object, highlighting it with a blue outline. If the selection isn't perfect, use the Add and Remove tools to refine or to fine-tune it. Draw over parts to include or exclude them from the selection until it's just right. So you can finalize this by clicking Done. The selected object is now isolated and can be moved, resized, copied or pasted elsewhere. You can even detect the background, making the cuts out ready for use in new compositions. Number 2. Turn any drawing into 3D instantly. Use the 2D to 3D tool and watch your flat doodles come to life. It's like turning napkin sketches into Pixar scenes. Okay, maybe not Pixar, but still cool. However, how do you do this? First, launch the 3D application and start a new project. Open or Insert menu option to import the 2D drawing or image you want to convert. Supported formats include BMP, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Secondly, select the Magic Select feature to trace and isolate the part of the image or drawing you want to convert into 3D. This creates a separate layer for that object, allowing you to manipulate it independently. Go to the 3D Shapes menu and choose 3D Doodle. Click sequentially on options along the outline of your 2D drawing to create enclosed shape. Paint 3D will automatically convert this outline into a 3D model. Alternatively, you can add predefined 3D shapes like cube, sphere, cone, cylinder, and options, and so on, and position them over your drawing to build up a 3D version. Use the rotation resize scale tool to adjust the 3D object dimensions and rotations. You can also add colors, stickers, paint, effects, lighting, and shadows to enhance realism. Once satisfied, save your creation in formats like PNG, JPEG, 3MF for 3D printing or sharing. This process leverages Paint 3D's intuitive tools to transform flat images into 3-dimensional art quickly and effectively, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. Number 3. Using stickers. Paint's 3D stickers aren't just cute. Place one on a 3D shape and it wraps perfectly. You can even use images as textures. To use stickers, you can pick from the built-in stickers, textures, or use the browse to tap to upload your own image as a custom sticker. Drag the sticker on your 3D shape. When you place a sticker on a 3D model, not just on the flat canvas, it will automatically wrap around the surface of the object, conforming to its shape. Adjust the size and orientation using the grip point and rotation handles around the sticker. You can move, resize, and rotate the sticker to fit your object as needed before finalizing. Once the sticker is positioned as desired, click the check mark button to apply it. This sticker will now be wrapped around a 3D object. The feature allows you to quickly add textures, logos, or decorative elements that follow the curves and contours of your 3D models, enhancing their realism and visual appeal. Number 4. Using 3D library with thousands of free models in Paint 3D. Paint 3D itself offers a huge catalog of thousands of free 3D models that you can browse and edit directly within the app. These models come from pre-created collections to help you get started quickly. This platform offers free downloadable Paint 3D models generated with AI suitable for game development, 3D printing, VR or AR, and more. You can also generate your own Paint 3D models using text or images for free. An archive of Paint 3D libraries models saved as GLB files that can be opened in Paint 3D and Blender. This archive contains a large collection of categorized models such as animals, characters, food, space, and more. For Blender, 3D model needs may require format conversions for Paint 3D. Sites like CAD, Crowd, SketchUp, 3D Warehouse, Sketchfab, Archive 3D, and Free 3D offer thousands of free 3D models across many categories. In summary, Paint 3D's own built-in 3D library is the most direct source, but for wider variety or more specialized models, platforms like Meshi AI, CG Trader, and the Microsoft Paint 3D Archive are excellent resources with thousands of free models ready for use or download. Number 5. Transparent backgrounds for exporting. You can export your image with transparent backgrounds and place it anywhere like thumbnails, social posts, even memes. This makes sure to check the transparency box hidden in plain sight. This process removes the background and perceives transparency in the exported PNG file, allowing you to use the image seamlessly on different backgrounds or in graphic design projects. In summary, the critical points are using Magic Select to isolate the object, deleting the background, enabling transparent canvas, and saving as a PNG with transparency enabled. Number 6. Edit 3D objects like clay with 3D Doodle. This 3D Doodle lets you draw shapes in 3D. Seriously, it's like digital clay. Draw a blob and suddenly you've got a sculpted alien. Cause why not? Note that Paint 3D currently does not support cutting holes or creating gaps inside existing 3D shapes directly. It's more about shaping and combining objects rather than detailed sculpting like in specialized 3D modeling software like Blender. In summary, the 3D Doodle in Paint 3D offers a user-friendly way to create and edit 3D objects with a clay-like feel by drawing and shaping reform models, resizing, rotating, and adding textures or effects to bring your ideas to life quickly. Number 7. Lighting and soft shadows in Paint 3D. This one shocked me. Open effect and mess with the environment lighting, and you can add shadows, reflections, and glow. It makes your 3D stuff look more cinematic. Number 8. Easy 3D text that pops. You can add 3D or you can add text, click the 3D option, and bam, it becomes chunky, customizable title. Great for YouTube intros, project labels, or just flexing. Number 9. Paint directly on 3D models. Select a 3D object, grab the brush tool, and go wild. It's like painting on a sculpture. You can even do gradient shading or weird, smeary faces you call it. However, number 10. You can also export as FBX or 3MF or other 3D tools. For other 3D tools, this one's for the geeks. You can actually export your 3D work and open it in tools like Unity or 3D Builder. Yep, real file format from free app. Even if one of those blew your mind, do me a favor, hit that button and subscribe for more simple 3D tricks anyone can do. I'm posting new tutorials every week, and the next one is a total game changer.